Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix camera blinking issue on iPhone after iOS 17 latest update. So guys, many of you are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17 you are facing an issue of camera blinking. That your camera is blinking too much and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix camera blinking issue on iPhone after iOS 17 latest update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is close your camera app and then reopen it. Close your camera app completely and then try reopening it again and see if the issue persists or not. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for third-party apps. If you recently installed any third-party camera apps, try installing them and see if the issue persists. Sometimes conflicts between different apps can cause problems with the camera. Like if I have downloaded the Snapchat, which is a camera app, third-party camera app. I have to do is simply tap and hold on it, tap on remove app, and I will delete it and see if my camera blinking solved or not. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply check for physical damage or obstructions. Inspect your iPhone's camera lens for any sign of damage or obstructions such as dirt or debris. Clean the lens carefully with a soft lint-free cloth. Also make sure there are no physical obstructions blocking the camera lens. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your camera settings. To do this, you have to simply go to the settings. Guys, this will reset all settings on your iPhones, including camera settings. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix camera blinking issues on iPhone after iOS 17 latest update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.